Hey, we have a special drink that we make this week. I think this for the special function. And by the way, Sunday is the Father's Day, so happy Father's Day for all the fathers. All right. So what I think actually to make today is like one of the drinks that I think is the Brumble. Brumble is really popular in UK. So gin and some board and some sweet and sour mix. And if you have like fresh raspberry, then add some fresh raspberry. Especially we have fresh raspberry anyway. This is our fresh raspberry. See that? All right, that's gonna be my garnish. I got the hydrated lime also for the garnish, because that's gonna be 6 drinks, and I told one of my colleagues actually to make 3 drinks also. So hey, that's Ronald, that's Ronnie. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, man.
So that's Ronnie. So now we have to create the drinks. For what? For the chef?
I'm just gonna show you.
Okay.
I'll be back.
You'll be back?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah? By the way, I don't know, maybe in Tuesday or next day, we have the art gallery in Wyndham, by Wyndham actually. So as you can see, all the prices down here. So that's all for sale. That's 2,200 CI just for that. And that is 2,200 also, just for that painting. So there's gonna be art gallery also here. Soon will come. So well, let's go with kitchen.
Good.
Okay. And the kitchen is here. Hey.
That's really good.
Hey, how are you?
Bye.
It's the fish this year.
Number 1, Cayman.
Number one, number one.
So now lunchtime?
Yeah.
Going for lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Till morning we are super busy,
Yeah.
but now we are good.
That's good.
But no, nothing. Everything is going to the kitchen.
Huh?
Hey, how are you?
Good. What you cooking now?
I prepare for tuna taco crispy. How are you today, boy?
Good man. And you?
Thank you, thank you.
Hi, chef. Oh. It's hot, huh? It's right. I got that. I got that. Yeah, you see me back, right? I'm ready, man. No, back outside. So this is gonna be here. This is the mango curry. Passion. There's the small glass.
What contains?
Huh?
What contains?
It's gin. I can jigger this gin. And then jigger the sour mix. Add the ice on top. And then some board. And then garnish of raspberry. And the hydrated lime.
What is the line?
It's dry lime actually. It's hydrated. And the straw. This is gonna be a Brumble.
Crumble?
Yeah, and try it.
Should I mix it?
Yeah, you can mix it. But you're gonna take the garnish, you know?
No,
Yes. So we'll do the Cayman passion.
can you give me a little more crushed ice?
Yeah. jigger of coconut rum. And then 20 of the butterscotch liqueur. And then the 20 of the margarita. And cup with the passion fruits. Shaken. Nice. Stir it. A little bit. We'll create some passion up. Now we'll add some crust ice a little.
No, too much. It's way too big. It's too big, much smaller. Can you have that?
We'll put this up.
Can you have that?
This is gonna be Cayman passion, right?
So this is wrongly put here because it's getting.
So the next, this is gonna be the Wyndham solution.
Yeah.
Wyndham solution. I
Yeah.
like that. I like that.
Okay. So this is gonna be the Wyndham solution
For everything?
for everything.
Okay.
So-
let's see how it goes.
Like this Tolly vanilla, a jigger. I think so because it's upstairs. And then you got the 20 coconut rum.
This one is also gonna be sweet.
Huh?
This one is gonna
This is sweet also. And then 20 of the frangelico. And then the sour. What happens actually, we can just add, instead of those, you can add like more, like
You
fresh
can-
lime juice, like squeeze like a little bit of lime juice, and then that's gonna be, or lemon juice. And that's gonna be good. So a jigger.
How
would be-
strong is the
the sour mix too sweet, so
sour mix? It's sweet as well.
yeah.
It's sour. How to why
But still sweet. So this is gonna be the Wyndham solution.
I will give you an advice. Being Wyndham, our locals and our things is
Add a little bit of
sense, and now you
Yeah.
actually. Also, ice, crushed ice or
yeah. Because this how you can add the garnish on top that looks nice.
we have smaller glasses. Say
We have smaller glasses, but that's really small.
that's much smaller. Too small.
And this is gonna be a marshmallow one. Coconut.
Exactly.